Assalamualaikum students. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Ms. Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to solve exercise. First we are going to solve choose the correct answer. The first option is which of these is a natural resource? The options are rocks, glass, plastic and paper. So the correct answer is rocks because all other are man-made. The second option is which of these is a man-made material? The options are wood, water, soil and paper. So the correct answer is paper. The third option is which of the following is used for making glass? The options are sand, soil, metal and rocks. So the correct answer is sand. The fourth option is which of these is not man-made? The options are plastic bag, leather belt, gold ring and rocks. So the correct answer is rock. The fifth option is which of these is an expensive precious stone? The options are coal, ruby, wool and chalk. So the correct answer is ruby. Students, now we are going to solve second question. Mark these sentences with tick and cross. The first statement is all materials around us are either a solid, a liquid or gas. Yes, all the things around us are solid, liquid or gas. So this statement is correct. Second statement is rocks can be blown with dynamite. Yes, rocks can be blown up with dynamite. So this statement is correct. The third statement is plastic is found underground. No, plastic is man-made material and it is not found underground. So this statement is false. Fourth statement is jute is a type of fiber. Yes, it is a type of fiber. So this statement is correct. Fifth statement is wool comes from animals. Yes, wool comes from animals. So this statement is correct. Now we are going to discuss about third question, which are question answers. First question is which things are made of glass? Students, you can write in your own word this answer. You can find three things which are made up of glass in your surrounding. Second question is name three things made up of plastic. Students, you can also find three things which are made up of plastic. Third question is name three things made from natural materials. Students, you can also find three things which are made up of natural materials in your surrounding. Fourth question is what does ice turn into when it melts? Students, when ice melts, then it converts into water. Fifth question is how can we change water into solid? Students, we put water into the freezer and then it converts into the solid. Now we are going to solve question number 4. From which materials might these things be made? Students, some things are given below. You can find from which materials these things are made up of. First one is bed. Students, bed can be made up of leather, plastic, fiber, metal. Shirt, cotton, silk, polyester, plastic buttons. Clock, metal, plastic, wood, glass. Pencil, usually wood and graphite. Tire, rubber, vase, glass, plastic and clay. Now we are going to discuss about question number 5. Put 5 things under each heading in the table below. Students, on the book page number 50, a table is given and you have to put some things which are present in your surrounding in that table. Students, question number 4 is activity type. So, we can solve this question in the class. So, thank you and Allah Hafiz.